Did you know that according to an Israeli zoning regulation, no home can be more than 150 meters away from a public open space? The reason is that public spaces such as parks, green strips, and cobbled areas improve the population's quality of life. They not only offer a place to engage in a wide range of activities, they also offer people a place to escape the humdrum routine of daily life. In fact, many studies show that fresh air, light, and interactions with plants and nature make people happier, healthier, and more relaxed. Zoning regulations governing open spaces are uniform throughout the country, regardless of the type of community, its size, or its climate. But do people actually take advantage of these spaces? And do patterns of behavior differ in the various open spaces? A research team headed by Dr. Yodan Rofe of the Blaustein Institutes for Desert Research at Ben-gurion University of the Negev is determined to study these questions. For the purposes of their research, the team selected a variety of different kinds of communities, ranging from small towns to large urban neighborhoods. Some were located in a desert climate, while others are situated along the coastal plain. The team mapped out the public spaces in each community and observed how they were being used seasonally. Findings from their observations were fed into a GIS system.
The GIS system allows us to tie together the geographical information in the map with the various uses of the open spaces and the various activities that we observe in the open spaces. And then later we can also do statistics on the various areas and the various activities that occur in the areas.
Their research shows that there is considerable use of those public spaces connecting or adjacent to shops and services that people use daily. On the other hand, residents make very little use of public spaces that are more removed from hubs of activity, regardless of how much the authorities invest in creating and maintaining them. In order to understand the quality of the open spaces in the areas under investigation, Dr. Rofe developed a technique to map the emotional responses of residents as they wander about their neighborhoods.
And what you can see is a result of such a map, when a person walks around in an area and makes various notations, whether they feel very good, bad, or very bad.
Based on the findings, he could identify the elements that contribute to positive or negative feelings in the various public spaces. By that, for example, if walking through public spaces covered with roof or vegetation arouses positive feelings, especially in desert regions, it should be taken into account while planning new public spaces or renovating ones. Dr. Rofe hopes that his research will be applied in Israel, especially in the planning of new cities in the Negev, so that public spaces will indeed enhance the well-being of the local population.